It's very sweet, but it's so good. Taste the mango.
I finished my bucket list for the summer.
It's me, no. It's about going, ain't it?
No matter the climate, running bitches in my third trimester. Shift ties, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay them beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me. I need your attention.
Who knew? They knew. It's new. If you're new to my channel, I want to say hey. And if you're a returning viewer, what it do, gang? Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to get notified whenever I post. Because if you're not subscribed to It's New, what are you doing? Today, you guys, is June 6th, and it is a Tuesday. Right now it's around, I think, like 6 p.m. Now, as y'all can see, I tried to do a new style on my hair. I know y'all can see my color in my hair. Check me out. You know what I'm saying? Did this at home. You feel me? It's giving. It's cute. Something simple. Earlier today, I went and got some stuff from Family Dollar. I've been seeing on TikTok like these summer vision boards for like bucket lists, and I want to make a bucket list for the summertime because why not?
Might have to deal with it. See, I pick my own bills, get it? Why I gotta be so stop shoving? I find it quite alarming. Cause I ain't your mama. Wanna be with me, then you won't get up off your bottom. Wanna lay with me, then you gon' be a real man, not a real nigga. Thinking yourself up, got no feel. And I pull your nail, shaker. Get mad and hate gloves, so I never told you that no. Now you say, hush, no, mind your mouth. You don't wanna harm his ego. No, name six, hush.
I finished my bucket list for the summer, and let me just read off some of the things on here. The plans we have for 2023 summer: we got new piercing, wine tasting, axe throwing, biking / scooters, so the scooters downtown, drive-in movie, petting zoo, top golf, ice cream date, swimming. I really want to tie-dye some shirts with Chimere. The sunset, beach day, karaoke night, water balloon fight, aquarium, volunteer, homemade pizza, road trip, painting, gun range, and to just have fun. And out of all of this, we gonna see if we can get through all this. If not, it's just gonna go on the vision board. But so cute. Right now, I'm not doing much. I'm kind of waiting on my friend because he needs me to help him study for something. So once I get a reply back from him, I will probably be updating y'all. either when I'm at Starbucks or something.
Those are two different flavors, like mango pineapple or peach passion.
The mango pineapple one.
Would you like? Okay.
Yep.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
See you then. Thank you. 551.
Good morning, gang. Today is June 8th and it's a Thursday. I know y'all probably like, girl, what are you doing in your work clothes? Before I went to work, I had to stop and get me some Dunkins. I ordered a mango pineapple with lemonade refresher. Y'all, don't say I ain't put y'all on or nothing. It's very sweet, but it's so good. Like, you can taste the mango and you definitely could taste the lemonade. I give it a 10 out of 10. Y'all have been trying to stay away from coffee drinks and trying to get into refreshers because I don't know if y'all know this, but coffee actually increases anxiety. I'm not trying to increase it, I'm trying to get my anxiety to go down. So we laying off the coffee right now. Get on the highway, be on my way to work. Gonna be it for today. I don't think I'm gonna get back to you guys until the weekend because I work the next couple days. Hey y'all, today is Saturday, June 10th. Right now I think it's like 5:30 something ish, so we starting kind of late. I got Chimera with me. We just going for a walk. We was playing in a little sand at first, but now he just kind of want to walk. He didn't really like the sand. I think he's still kind of too small for it, but at the end of the summer he should be used to it. So let's see. Why you spitting? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You stuck. Uh-oh. Come on. Look at my hair done drop, my curls done drop. You see? Yeah, but we made it to the little beach. Mama not getting in the sand. She being funny acting. I'm assuming the yogurt is good. It's good, Tootie? It's about gone, ain't it? So this is boring. We gotta come back with Nanny. Nanny, if you watching this, we coming back with you.
Let's throw some rocks in the water.
Come on. Uh-oh. You like the water. Okay. Step up. Wait a minute. Okay.
They got people out here on jet skis. I don't know if y'all can see. They on jet skis. Period.
Real quick, hey y'all, we made it to Bolero's. A little quick outfit change. Here with my family. I'm not about to bow. I'm about to actually give me a few drinks, but we about to go back out there where everybody at.
Give me a tissue. Why would I miss you when you was the issue? Don't wear the shoe if the shoe doesn't fit you. Only around me when it's beneficial. Stop texting my phone. Nigga be feeling like leave me alone. Back in my zone. Don't want the feelings, I just want the cup. Daddy, he making me thicker. Rob his heart. Bitch is a sticker. I can't be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets were small. They got bigger. You did me wrong. What I do? Acting a smoochie when I'm off the liquor. Showing my thumb. Going cool.
Finish your drink before Fetty says 1738.
1738.
It's your one and your Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me that cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. Made it out of jungle, I ball ain't got no jumper.
Vlog, okay, come on, Jay. Okay.
Bro.
Hey y'all, so I ended up getting some barbecue boneless chicken and some french fries, and I'm about to eat. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling this little bitty drink or whatever.
The bottom, bro. You see the bottom, bro?
Yeah, I see the bottom, bro. Go ahead, get in the car.
Yes, I'm lit, bro. Okay, this B-Rap signing out, y'all. Hey, this new vlog.
Yeah, it's Nunu.
It's me, Nunu.
Okay, it's the signature move for me.
It's me, Nunu. This the new intro.
Okay, Bookie.
Hey, me, new to you, but old to me. It's Nunu.